Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with lesson number 3, integers. Let us recall what we have studied last week. We have learned about the natural numbers, whole numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, and integers. We have also learned how to show integers on the number line. The positive numbers are from the right hand side of the 0 and negative numbers are on the left side of 0. The point on the number line which is marked 0 is called origin. We have also learned how to add integers. Addition of integers also we have learned. So let us now learn the opposite numbers, comparing integers and subtraction of integers. First we are going to begin by opposite numbers. On the number line, when the rabbit jumps 3 units to its right from 0, it reaches to number plus 3. When the rabbit jumps 3 units to its left from 0, it reaches the number minus 3. Both the distance from 0 are equal. Only the direction of two jumps are opposite to each other. In other words, plus 3 and minus 3 are opposite numbers. Opposite numbers are at the same distance from 0, but they are in the opposite direction. The sum of two opposite number is always going to be 0. Let us now see few examples of opposite numbers. So here I have the number line for you and I have the numbers, and you are going to find out what the opposite number is going to be. Here we have number 9. What is the opposite number of number 9? Yes, it's going to be minus 9. The opposite number of minus 5? Yes, it's going to be plus 5. You can either write 5 or you can add the sign plus. It doesn't matter. For positive number, it's not necessary for writing the sign. But for negative number, you have to always remember that you have to give minus sign. Not for positive numbers. You can write plus 5 or you can just write 5. It's okay. For minus 3, what is the opposite number? Yes, it's minus, I'm so sorry, minus 23, it's plus 23 or just 23. For 45, the opposite number is going to be minus 45. Now, there is a problem, there is a practice set on page number 19 in your maths textbook. So, you're going to do it as a homework in your maths notebook, okay? Now, we are going to learn how to compare integers, okay? We are going to learn comparing integers. Now, you know that if we add 1 to any number on the number line, let's take the example of 3. If we add 1 to any number, we are taking here 3, you get the next number on the right as the answer. So, the next number on the right is 4. So, that you're going to get the answer. So, this is true for negative numbers too. In case of negative numbers, so here you can see minus 4 and we are adding 1 to it. So the number which is to the right to minus 4, that is minus 3, that you're going to get the answer. So for negative numbers also, it's going to remain, the rule is going to remain same. So on the number line, every number is greater than the number to its on its immediate left just by 1. So now let us compare positive numbers 0 and negative numbers. Here you can see that minus 5, it is minus 4 is greater than minus 5, minus 3 is greater than minus 4, minus 2 is greater than minus 3, minus 1 is greater than minus 2, 0 is greater than minus 1, 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 5 is greater than 4. So the numbers which are on the immediate right just by 1, they are greater, okay? And it's true in the sense for negative numbers as well. So here let us see in this example which ones are, let us compare the positive numbers 0 and negative numbers. Here you can see first example we have 4 and minus 3. So the number which is on the right from of the number line, it is greater than the number which is on the left. So here you can see 4 and minus 3. Which number is the greater one? Yes, it's 4. So we are going to give greater sign to the 4. Next number 4 and 3. Again we have 4 because 4 is on the right hand side of the number line. For 0 and minus 1, yes, 0 is greater than -1. Next number -2 and -3. Yes, -2 is on the right side from -3. So it's the greater one. And -12 and 7. Yes, 7 is greater than -12. What happens when you have two same numbers? For example, here you can see you have +5 and 5. So both the numbers are same. Here just I have not given the sign, and here I have the sign. And in the other example, -7 and -7, they are the same number. So when you have same number, you're going to give equal to sign. So you come to know that both the numbers are same. Now there is one more practice set on page number 19, that is practice set number 7. You're going to draw that table and you're going to complete it as a homework. It's quite simple. If you follow these examples, if you follow the rule, you will be able to solve the exercise very easily. Okay, practice set you will be able to solve very easily. Now let us see how to subtract integers. Now this is a very important rule and you always have to keep this rule in your mind. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the another number. Okay, let us see how we can subtract this. Alright, now let us see how we can subtract -9 from -4. So to subtract one number from other is to add its opposite number. So what we are going to do is we are going to take -9 and we are going to add it by its opposite number. Now what is the opposite number of -4? It is +4. So -9 plus 4 is -5. So the answer that we get is -5. Let us see this example. -4 minus -9. So here to subtract -4 from -9 is to add its opposite number from the other number. So what is the opposite number of -9? It is +9. So -4 plus 9 is, again it's +5. So the answer that we get is +5. Let us see this example. -9 minus, sorry, +9 minus +4. So to subtract one number from other number is to add its opposite number. So we are going to add its opposite of -4, opposite of +4. So opposite of +4 is -4. So we already know how to do this sum. Minus minus, when we have two opposite sign, we are going to do subtraction. So +9 minus 4 is 5, and we are going to give the sign of the greater number. So the greater number sign is plus, so we are going to give the sign of the greater number. Let us see this sum. +9 minus -4. So to subtract this sum, what we are going to do is we are going to add the opposite number. So we are going to add opposite number of -4 is +4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So the answer that we get is +13.